The latest Infinix smartphone features a water drop style notch display and carries speakers with DTS surround sound. Infinix Smart 6 HD packs a 5000 mAh battery that the smartphone brand claims of being capable of delivering up to 135 hours of talk time on a single charge. Infinix Smart 6 HD has been launched in India today. It is a budget smartphone under the 7,000 rupee price bracket. The device comes with decent specifications and runs on Android Go OS. It is ideal for first-time smartphone users or those on a tight budget. Read on to know what the Infinix Smart 6 HD offers out of the box. The Infinix Smart 6 HD comes with a 6.6-inch display bearing an HD Plus resolution and a water drop notch. It offers 500 nits brightness and an 89% screen-to-body ratio, and there is a square rear camera module. Internally, the Infinix Smart 6 HD is equipped with a MediaTek Helio A22 processor. It packs 2GB RAM on board and a 2GB extendable RAM feature. There is 32GB internal storage expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. Software-wise, the smartphone runs on Android 11 Go edition out of the box. The Infinix Smart 6 HD draws its power from a 5000 mAh battery unit with support for 10-watt charging. Connectivity options on the Infinix Smart 6 HD include dual SIM, dual 4G VoLTE, LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a microSD port. Talking about the camera, this smartphone comes with an 8-megapixel AI rear camera with dual LED flash. Additionally, it has a 5-megapixel camera with dual LED flash. Featuring time-lapse, portrait, and wide selfie modes, this handset offers up to 32GB of in-built storage. However, this storage capability is expandable up to 512GB via a dedicated microSD card. The Infinix Smart 6 HD is offered in Aqua Sky, Force Black, and Origin Blue colors. It carries a price tag of 6,799 rupee and will be available for purchase from Flipkart starting August 12th. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon.